Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes fix recover data from HDD. You need to format the disk and drive before you can use it. Right-click Start button, click Disk Management. Disk 2 is raw. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type chkdsk space, drive letter colon. Drive letter is F, space, /F. Right-click hard disk or external drive, click Properties, click Security tab. Click Advanced, click Change, type Everyone, click Check Name. Check Replace Owner on subcontainers and objects. Right-click hard disk or external drive, click Properties, click Security tab. Click Edit, click Add, type Everyone, check Name. Check all full rights, also given full rights to system and administrator. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.